Hey guys, Scott here, Pine Barren Craftsman. This is what I've been working on, all right? Come on, take a walk over. So it might look a little crazy, but that's because it is, and that's my deal. We're building a greenhouse. It's in there, it's in that box. It's going to be a 26 by 10 wide. I bought this 6x6 hemlock, rough cut, cost a fortune. Okay. Now, if you see what's going on here, I got 4 1/4 out there, pieces that are cut, and I got 1 or 2 here. It's because the grade's falling away out the back. I sunk it into the asphalt a little bit, just because I had some inconsistencies in the asphalt itself. Up here, there's movement where you get frost, and those were like some hollow spots where there was a rock or a boulder. So I just sank it in, and now I staggered my joints and layered it up, so that means the one beam goes over and it's never over another seam. And I'm cutting wedges now. This is not the right time, but I'm cutting wedges so that we can finish off the back, make it look pretty. We're going to be using a piece of number 4 or number 5 bar, I think it's number 5, rebar. It's reinforcement bar for concrete. We're drilling holes in the corners, and we're shooting it down as far as it'll go until it hits something. 3, 4, 5, feet depending. That corner went in about 2 feet and hit a rock. This one went in about 4 feet. So once I get the corners figured out, I've been leveling it, I've been measuring it for square. I'll show you a quick trick. Come on over. Okay, come on inside the play box. So this is a small tape measure, but we'll go with it. If you want to try to find a right angle, basic high school geometry taught you 3, 4, 5, right? Basically, you come this way, 3 inches, you make a mark. Make sure you're on the inside of your corner, not the outside. I'm sure things might work differently on the outside, but you always want to go to the inside. 3 this way, 4 feet this way. Make a mark, which I have a mark here, and I have a black little Sharpie mark here. Take your tape measure. Now you go 5. So 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, and then 5 across. And you want to have a helper. Normally you have them hold that right. He or she can hold that right on the Sharpie mark. And where this lands at 5, that's how you know you're square. This corner square, that corner square, and those are square. But then you also got to watch your parallel. Parallels in and out, right? We got that, but you got to watch your squareness this way. So you measure your length and you measure your width. I got a measurement here of 118 in a cube, 1/4 inch wide by what was it, 316 3/4 long. So that's like 26 feet, and I believe around there. And that's what we got. We got it all figured out. So I'm pinning it down, and then I'm going to show you what else I'm doing. Besides leveling it, which is nice and level, I went out and I got one of these auger bits. This is an auger bit. This is really sharp, and it'll go through a bunch of these, but I'm moving them out of the way so I know, how deep the bit gets. And then I'm pinning them, but I gotta do the lower parts first. So this is all just rough in. What is this? This is a 12-inch spike, 12-inch spike. That box is like 27 bucks. So these are good for areas like where you have a small one like this. Let me show you. This is a piece that we scabbed in. There's a cut, because you can't always have full pieces. That'll hold these two together. So once you pin your corners, or maybe as you're pinning your corners, you want to go around and pin these joints. Wherever you have them and they're not holding anything, You can go crazy and put these everywhere, but I don't think it's needed. So a lot of people are saying, okay, you went on top of the asphalt, right? What are you doing on top of the asphalt? We're gonna backfill this with some crushed shale, and then we're gonna have raised garden beds in here. And that'll all be, you know, future. Here's a spider. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. This is the Greenhouse Build 2023, Part 1. Thanks.